Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change language on Webtoon app. So watch till the end. So first go to Webtoon. After that on the bottom right corner click on my. Now on the top right here you will see three dot icon. Just click on that. Now click on settings. Scroll down and then click on content language. Click on English and you will see all of the language. And if you don't see your language, and there is another solution, just go to settings and then search for language. Go to language and then click on language, and then here you will see English. Just click on that, or you can add language. Just click on add language and then choose your language. And that's it. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.